We have, as a bank in Ghana, provided support to the tune of $75,000 through the Association of Bankers to help in the fight against the virus. We are so impressed with the leadership that has been provided so far by His Excellency that the bank has, in addition, decided to add $250,000 towards the efforts being made by His Excellency in Ghana, bringing the total to $350,000 United States dollars to support these efforts. We believe that so far the efforts that have been made will yield the results that we all expect.
On behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, I wish to express our profound gratitude to UBA for this contribution. Indeed, the coronavirus pandemic that has found its way into our shores is a worrying thing for our President. This contribution that you have made will go a long way towards acquisition of materials and other logistical requirements that is needed as we move forward in this journey. We appreciate it very much, and it's timely. And we really want to show that it will be used for the purpose that is being intended to. Thank you very much, and may God bless you and bless your bank. And we also ask for God's blessing for the efforts that His Excellency is putting in place to save the people of Ghana from this virus. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for meeting me today. Today, on behalf of the chairman and members of staff of MELCOM Group of Companies, I have come here to present to His Excellency and all of you hand sanitizers. They're portable little hand sanitizers. I know it's all wrapped, so this is a sample of one. It's a spray, and it is 72% alcohol. So it's already approved by FDA and everything. And for the men, it's very easy to just slip into your pocket. Women usually have handbags, but for the men, this is probably a lot more convenient to carry around. We as MELCOM feel it's our obligation and our duty, and for the love of our nation, we wanted to present something that would help towards the coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.
Let me, on behalf of the President and the entire Presidency team, thank MELCOM very much for the donation, a very practical donation, one that is useful for us in this office as we move up and down. We also commend you for all the efforts that you'll be making. And I have heard that you are also observing the protocols that have been prescribed. Hand washing and sanitizing as customers come in. So we also commend you for also playing your role in curbing the spread of coronavirus. Thank you very much, and may God bless the work of MELCOM.